Okay.
Ito ay 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/2 sugar, 1/4 cup pounded ginger for 1 hour. At saka may kasama pang garlic yan.
Okay.
Mamarinig siya ng oras.
Okay. Ito naman.
Yan naman ay panghalo mamaya. Ito ay repolyo, togi, carrots. Yan ay isusot yung bawang, sabay sibuyas, sabay luya. Tapos halo-halo.
Okay.
Yan. Ito bulak-bulak yan ha.
Okay. Okay, lipat naman tayo sa next group. Ang kanilang ginagawa ay nagchuchorba ng
Sauté ng sesame seed.
sauté, hindi chorba. Okay. Ganyan ang tamang pag-sauté. Ayun, nilagay sa lalagyan. Okay. Ang nag-perform ay ang dakilang import. Okay. Okay, punta naman tayo sa next group. Ano ba naman ginagawa rito? Ayan. Ayan, okay ma'am.
Ano, dili kayo. Dili ka. So our ingredient for the sauce, we have wash sugar, 1/2 kilo. We have 1 cup ground peanut. We have 2 tablespoons garlic, 3 tablespoons chopped celery. Then we have 1 cubes. Then we have 4 cups, 2.5 cups of water. And we have 1/4 cup ng fish sauce. So we have to caramelize the sugar.
Yun, caramelize.
In caramelizing, we don't have to do not stir.
Stir.
Let it slow the fire.
I think the fire is furious.
So we are waiting to caramelize the sugar.
Okay. Kaway naman dyan. Hello. Okay, punta naman tayo sa preparation. Okay, tingnan mo, babalik. We're not finished pa. Okay, balik daw uli, not finished pa.
Medyo patay mo muna.
Sige.
Pag-baking.